Today I want to talk about making your healthy lifestyle easier. And one big way to do that is to get rid of the things that are blocking you from your goals. I've got a quick list of 6 things you can stop doing now so you can start getting results now. Number 1 is aiming too high too soon. This is a recipe for failure and frustration. Goals like shedding 10 kilos in a few weeks or running a marathon within a couple of months are unrealistic, daunting, and they can be discouraging. Instead, set smaller, realistic targets to fuel your long-term progress. If this is an area you struggle with, then a coach can really help you. Number 2 is comparing yourself to others. It's okay to draw inspiration from others, but don't let their progress define your worth. Plus, you never know behind the scenes of what it really took them to get to where they are. Your journey is unique, so own it and celebrate your wins. Over-restricting your diet is number 3. Eliminating foods and food groups, skipping meals, or obsessing over the scale is not only discouraging, but it can lead to cravings, fatigue, and a serious lack of motivation. Aim for a balanced, enjoyable lifestyle that supports your health and well-being. Number 4 is navigating without a plan. Having a proven game plan to take you from where you are now to where you want to be will save you time and effort. Otherwise, you're relying on guesswork to reach your goal. Number 5 is short-term vision. Being fit for a holiday or an event is great, but staying in shape is even better. Consider your long-term health and avoid the exhausting cycle of temporary fitness. Number 6 is isolating yourself. Everyone needs support, a strong support network, or